The GoGo Travel Mobility Series from Pride Mobility offers a variety of scooters for your busy, on-the-go lifestyle. And on this edition of Mastering Mobility, we'll be highlighting one of our most popular models in this series, the GoGo Sport 4-Wheel. This scooter is considered a heavy-duty option in our scooter lineup due to its weight capacity of 325 pounds. And like many of our other models, it offers feather touch disassembly. The scooter separates into 5 lightweight pieces, the heaviest of which is just 44 pounds. That makes storage and transport easier and much more convenient. Some other key stats about the GoGo Sport 4-Wheel. It's one of the fastest scooters in our GoGo lineup with a top speed of 4.7 miles per hour. It also offers one of the most impressive mileage ranges in the group, as you can travel up to 12 miles on a single battery charge. Its turning radius is 50.5 inches, and it comes with 2 sets of interchangeable shrouds in both red and blue, so you can switch up your look anytime. This Delta tiller allows you to drive the GoGo Sport 4-Wheel with just one hand and rest your wrists on the wraparound handle. It comes with standard LED lighting when riding at night, and its front basket offers convenient storage. The GoGo Sport 4-Wheel scooter is perfect for your active lifestyle. It's got simple navigation, exceptional portability, and a battery range to keep you moving throughout all your travels. Find out more at pridemobility.com and see you next time on Mastering Mobility.